Hey everybody, happy Thursday or Friday for you guys. Thank goodness. I really appreciate all of you guys going to the field trip yesterday. I hope you laughed a little bit. I know my neighbors had a good laugh. But today I just wanted to quickly go through what your assignment is and then also give you a little bit of an example of a zoo project that I kind of just threw together to kind of give you some help because your zoo project it's the end project, right? For science. I mean, I'll have small check-ins because I have to do attendance, but this is it. Instead of taking a test, this is your test. So this lets me know that you understand. So for today, you're just going to do a quick check-in. What biome would you want to visit and why? That's easy. And then you're just going to kick your feet up and watch Planet Earth. Okay, it's one video. It's pretty long, but what better day to watch a video because it's all rainy. So put your comfy clothes on, lay in bed, lay on your couch, watch the planet Earth, and then that's it for me. Don't forget to check in because I need to take attendance. For your zoo project. Your zoo project is due May 20th. Here is your example. The first slide, now I did Google Slides. You can do Google Docs. You can do draw it out and take a picture. You can build it and take a picture. I don't care how you do it. Slides typically seems to be the easiest, so that's the one I'm going to show you on. First slide, your name of your zoo and your name. So my name of the zoo is Polar Bear Macaroni and Cheese Zoo. If you are in my 8th period, that should make you laugh. Founder, obviously this is your name. So you could just write by whoever, and that would be fine too. But you need to have your name on it. And then I did May 2020 because it was founded in May. All right. Next slide is that building project paper that it's on the submission form where you're supposed to download it. It basically is asking you how much money did you start, how much did you spend, what was remaining, and then what animals do you have in your zoo and how many of each animal. This could be done on one slide or it can be done on multiple slides. It really depends on how many animals you bought. And then also, it doesn't have to go at the beginning. I've seen some people put it at the end. But for this, I made up the numbers. They don't even really total up the right thing. So don't go through and go, she said she had, this many animals, but she spent this much. I didn't actually I just made up numbers. So total amount of money to start, I had $28,450. Total amount of money spent, $28,000. Remaining money in the account, $450. The list of animals and populations purchased, number of population 4, and then name a giraffe, etc., etc. I did make this chart, so if you are on here, all I did is go to insert and then table, and I did it this way, and you made the chart right here. So then you would write population of animals, and then name of species, and then you can do it just like that. Okay, so it may be that you do on this side the budget and on this side animals in the zoo. Okay, that's something like that. Okay, then you're going to go on to your habitats. Now you have 2 options for slides, and probably more so because you guys will be way more creative than me. You can do it as like a split screen. So here's my exhibit of the manatees, and I said that I had 2 in my zoo, so I tried to find a picture with 2 manatees. And then here is the sign. So these categories have to be on your sign. This is on the document. You can see it. So this is what you would have to look up information off of Google if you don't already know it. But species, manatee, habit, estuaries, rivers, and ocean, biome, freshwater and saltwater, type of consumer, herbivore, food source would be vegetation. Some animals would be like way more specific. You might say acacia tree or for for this one, seaweed or whatever you would say. And then one fun fact that you looked up. The other option is to do it, here's the exhibit, and then here is the sign. Okay, so depending on how you want to do it, you can either do exhibit, sign, or you can do it both on the same slide. I don't really care. And then you go on to your next animal. Now I will tell you, the easiest way to do this is to really how do I know what I'm buying, what I'm not doing, how much money do I have? You take your total, 28,450, and you're going to do something like this, where you have your total amount of money that you have, and then you start adding up what they need. So for a land animal who needs all of the stuff, so enclosure, plants, water, enrichment, and food, it's $2,675. That's how much the enclosure costs. And then you go through and you say, okay, a lion is 650. How many lions do I want? And then from there, you kind of start adding. So this is a good example. This is a good example right here of what we wanted. Okay, so one lion plus all of the stuff they need, 3,325. And then what you do is you just subtract that from your total. Doing it this way, where you list them out, is super helpful. This is what I've done with other people to help them. If you want, I will go on and I will help you as well so that you can know what you need to do. So I think the budget part is usually the hardest part. And then from there, you can kind of go on and build your zoo. All right. I hope that makes sense. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help. Enjoy the video and do the check-in. And then your zoo project's due the 20th. Have a great day and a great weekend because today's your Friday.